Have you ever noticed how simple recipes instantly remind you of home? Not because they are fancy, but because of the memories they carry. So today's green fish chicken gravy is one of those recipes. It's simple and full of rich flavors that bring everyone to the dining table. Let's begin by heating a little oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, we're gonna add few whole spices. I'm using 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, and 2 to 3 bay leaves. Very simple, very straight, no more fancy ingredients. Now add finely chopped onion, cook them patiently until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This step takes a few minutes, don't rush it. Perfectly brown onions are the secret to a rich and flavorful gravy. Next add ginger garlic paste. Stir well and let it cook until the raw smell disappears. The aroma at this stage is simply amazing. Just wait, the real magic is only getting started now. And there we go, the ginger garlic is perfectly cooked, setting the stage for the next layer of flavor. Now it is the time for the spices to be added. I am adding 1 spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon red chili powder. Right now I am using spicy red chili powder, coriander powder 1 spoon, cumin powder 1 spoon, and a salt. Mix everything gently so the spices cook without burning. For that I am adding a little water so the masala cooks perfectly over a low flame. After all, great flavors can't be rushed. Give a little time and you will rewarded with a rich, delicious curry. Mix everything gently so the spices cook without burning. Now we will be adding chopped tomatoes and give them a good mix. Cover the pan and let them cook on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's take a look. Beautiful. To make the curry shine, I am adding 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Now give it a gentle stir, then slowly add the curd while mixing continuously. That's the secret to a silky creamy gravy. Finally, in go the blanched green peas, which is the hero of this recipe. They bring a pop of color, a touch of sweetness and complete our delicious curry. You can use frozen or fresh raw peas, whatever is convenient for you. But if you want that vibrant natural green color, I highly recommend blanching the peas first. It really makes a difference. Now at this stage, we are going to add chicken pieces. As per your convenience, you can moderate your chicken quantity. I am using 1 kilogram of chicken for this recipe. Mix them well so every piece is coated with masala. Now I'll let the chicken cook for about 4 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in enough water to make a rich, smooth gravy. Cover the pan and let it simmer on a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the chicken becomes tender and every flavor blends beautifully. And just like that, your green peas chicken gravy is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice, jeera rice, soft chapatis, fluffy naans or flaky parottas. Sprinkle a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now all that's left is to enjoy every single bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to try it at home and share it with your family. Happy cooking and I'll see you in the next recipe.